Students, in this video, we will learn how image viewer can be developed in Visual Basic 6.0. Image viewer is what? Image viewer is an application or a kind of program after clicking on which the preview of the image will be displayed on the screen. The preview of the image will be displayed on the screen. So that is what we are going to design today with the help of Visual Basic 6.0 controls. So there are some control: check directory list box, drive list box and file list box. We will take the help of these three to access the Windows Explorer, and we will take the help of image to display the image. Fine. So as it is a image viewer, let me design the screen. Let me enlarge the screen little bigger. The form I am just enlarging little bigger. Okay students. Now let me design. So at first I am keeping a label. I am keeping a label on the form. So in label I am giving the heading as image viewer developed by Rashmi. You can put your own name. So name next. Suppose the color also I thought of changing. I want to change because as it is an image viewer, so it has to be designed little nicely so that the design should looks good. Fine. So let's see. Yeah. So this is the heading. Okay. Now what I am doing, let me take the image control where the image will be displayed. Suppose this is the area I selected where the image will be displayed. This is the area which I selected where the image will be displayed. Fine. After doing this, set the properties, stretch properties. Okay. Set the stretch properties to true. So what will happen? The image, when the image will appear, it will appear in entire image, this control. Okay. Now let me take the controls from here. So the controls, which control I need to take first? Drive list box. Drive list box will provide you the drive like C drive, E drive, D drive. So the drive can be selected from here. Okay. So it depends how you wish to design. It is totally depends on you. Next, take directory list box. So I am taking here directory list box, which will show me the directory of my system. C drive at present it is showing. You can change it as well. Thereafter, let's take the file list box. We have to take them serially. Fine students. So it means what I mean to say, when you select a drive, the respective directory will be displayed here. When you select the directory, the respective file will be displayed here. And when you select on the file, the preview of the image will be displayed here. Okay, clear students? Now let's continue with the coding. Fine. Now very simple program, very small program. It's not so lengthy, because Visual Basic itself is providing too much of thing to us. Only few coding we need to write. Fine. Okay. Now let's double click on the directory. Why? Now when I'm changing this, this directory should change. So it means I have to double click on the what? Drive list box. So just double click on the drive list box. So the drive list box, what you need to write here. Now when I'm clicking on the drive list box, who will get changed? This directory will get changed. So directory, the name is what? Now dir1. So you double click here and write dir1, that is directory list box. Okay. Then we'll change path. Okay, not path. You can change the drive as well. Let's check the properties. Actually, the when you change the drive, automatic the directory should change. Okay, let's go with path. Later on we will see. So path equal to, so what will be the path of directory 1? Now drive 1 dot drive. So whatever drive you choose on the directory list box, same the in directory list box it will appear. Whatever you choose in drive list box, same will appear in directory list box. So let me just set the form in the middle, in the center. Then I'm running the program. Okay, now C drive is there. You change to D drive. Have you seen? Have you seen the drive is directory is getting changed? If I change to anything, see, it is getting changed. Now what I need to do when I'm changing this, who will be affected? This should be affected. So that I need to write the coding. So how can I write? Just double click on this. Just double click on this. And what you need to write? Now file 1. I think the name is file1 dot, yeah, file1 dot path equal to dir1 dot path. Okay, so whatever path I selected in dir1, same will be applicable on file1. Let me check whether it is working or not. See, understood students? Whatever the files available in this folder, all is getting visible here. Okay, clear? Okay, now you can change from here also. See, I'm changing this, so this is getting changed, so this also is getting changed automatically, because all they are linked to each other. All they have linked to each other. Fine. Anything I choose from here, the content will be displayed here. Okay. Now let change the coding of the file list box. So double click on the file list box. Whenever any JPG file or image file you select in file list box, the preview will appear in image 1. The preview will appear. So what we need to do, image 1 dot picture. Already we learned this one before in previous videos. So the same method you need to write, same function you need to write, the load picture. And how the load picture will be, the path whatever you select will be the path setted for the file. So you need to write here dir1 dot path. You need to write here dir1 dot path plus, you have to add a slash sign, plus you have to write file1 dot file name. Okay, fine students. So let's check. So is there any image picture? No. See, clicking I will get error because they are not image. So what I need to do? I have to set the file to default. That is file1 dot as parent. Yeah, file1 dot parent pattern. You can change pattern equal to star dot jpg. It means only jpg file supposed to be displayed there. No, still it is not working. So what you do, this file1 click, you don't write, you make it in load method. You double click on the form and in load method you write the pattern jpg. So what will happen? See, only the jpg file will be displayed here. So where we have the jpg files, I think inside the user it might be pictures. We don't have any jpg file, I think this computer. So let us put some jpg file at first in my system, then I will show you the rest.